How would you like to go from this green cloudy pond, unmaintained, to a nice clear pond, just like this, rinse free? All you have to do is add an Aquascape maintenance doser, maintained for ponds, to get a clean, clear pond. Prevents unsightly conditions, and there's the doser. Keeps it clear. All I do is add this dosing pouch every 2 months into this unit. It automatically doses the pond and clears cloudy or discolored water. It just drips with the hose into my skimmer. Super easy to do. I don't have to do anything to my pond except for enjoy it. It has a beneficial bacteria blend in there. It balances the pond ecosystem. It detoxifies the water, makes it safe for the fish and the plants. This is what it looks like. It's boxed and it comes with a pouch that you just add to your doser. This is plugged in. The doser automatically adds it. You just take out the old pouch. Got a little screw top on it, all ready to go. You just unscrew it, and the hose inside goes way down into the bottom of the bag. You don't have to do anything. Just take out the old one, take off the cap of the new one, pop it on, and it's ready to go. I don't have to do anything to my pond anymore. Just decide how much water you have in your pond and then hit dose, and it does everything for you. Just drips it right inside the skimmer bucket at the right dose, and you don't have to do a thing. This is made by Aquascape. It's the best thing I could have done for my pond. I can enjoy my fish. It's clear to the bottom. The fish are happy. I love it. You could go from this cloudy pond to a nice clear pond and enjoy it. Aquascape. Link is in the description below. I hope this helps.